Alright everyone, so we have a plumber coming today, and I'm going to show you why. Here's my downstairs bathroom. I'll close the door so you can't hear the coffee maker. Listen carefully. Maybe you can hear it. There's a slight drip going on with this old American Standard toilet. And it doesn't just have that one problem. When you flush it, you're supposed to be able to tap the plunger and it will flush completely. Well, as you can see, it barely has enough power to flush urine, let alone like a wad of toilet paper. So in order to get it flushed completely, you have to do this. Then you can let go. You have to hold it down for a while to get it to actually flush. So we're going to have him look at that. But it's also dripping. Maybe you can hear it. That noise. You can hear it very slightly. So we're going to have him look at that. Alright. Now we're in my upstairs bathroom looking at my bathtub. I'm going to let the water run for about 5 seconds. Watch the drain. If you notice, it is not draining correctly. You could see there that it's not doing it now, but what it'll do, if you're showering, it'll like, I'll see if I can, hold on a minute. Okay, there it went. See how it's kind of just sitting there? So yeah, the water won't go down the drain if there's more than like a minute of running the water. So we're going to have him look at that too.